Bless up yourself, everybody. How they do, how no run, come here, me have a little thing to say. But the woman no feel well, but me just think say, me need to say this right now. Listen me people, welcome to Donna British TV. One Donna British, never two. Listen me guys, from where day me a school the internet. And me say me can't believe my eyes when me a see. Me a fit wonder if my eyes and my ears them a deceive me. So we know say people try everything. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. If bad mind was a person. If bad mind was a person, it would have to be our Jamaican woman. It would have to be our Jamaican woman. Boy, me I tell you, me can't understand. You don't know my with Aunty Donna, Planka boss. You know her. You know say me stand strong for Planka boss. And I know little people try to bring this woman down. In spite of all the good things that she do, all the people where she help. I know people try. They say she scam, they say she thief, they say she couldn't go foreign. They say this, they say that, they say ask they don't call fat, and when they see all we then do and say it no work. These people have no stopping. They will go through any length, depth and breadth to bring down this lady. Now we know say a cake time now. Every time Aunty Donna cake time come round, somebody have something to say. Me I look at the on social media and me see one woman attack say Aunty Donna touch her nose, the blow her nose and touch her cake. Oh you girl, Sophia Donkey. It was Sophia Donkey, me see. Other part they really make me say me have to make that video this morning, you know. You don't know when to give up. You don't know when to draw the line. You don't know when somebody blessed and highly favored. You don't know when you can't conquer the person. You don't allow the woman alone, man. You are not in the woman's house. You don't know what the woman do. They go call the woman nasty. Say the woman blow her nose and they use the same gloves to bake cake. How no disgusting so? How no disgusting say? Me say all sort of butu. Everything thing crawl out of her hand. Every kind of big stone and big wood come out the costume man about her cake. Her cake them this she figure cancel. She that everything come back on costume man about your man cake them. I mean no know if you no know when she say you no get defeated. Because all you know the costume no say the human cake them sell. You no buy the human cake. You no have nobody buy the human cake. And the woman make money off her cake. You no shame. Oh, not tired. Jesus, my God. Me would have give up long time. Me not tell no lie. Me I tell the honest truth. Me that give up long time. But you know when fi say, you know what? This woman, we can't touch her. You ever hear the song say, can't touch it, can't touch it. You no can't touch her. You no allow the woman know every whole boot to crawl out from everywhere. Come the cuss the woman about her cake. I you no realize say our territory, it's widened, it's broadened. The amount what she said last year, one come and say, she they go review the cake what she buy last year, and this, me see all sort of people come now, they review cake. What's the matter with you guys? And to think that everybody you see come out, they cry out about Aunty Donna. They are Jamaicans. And they're not only Jamaicans, but the majority of them are women. Uno life sad, so. Uno life sad, so no know when time if you just let go and leave the man alone. When she was doing charity, uno cuss her. She know this, she that, she thief, she scam, she still a prosper, she still a live. No police no come knock on her door. She go foreign. She put on her fet. She do this. Uno complain. Uno. What's the matter with uno with one person? With one person? My goodness grief. What can one person do? The all I wanna so and the majority of uno talk have never met this woman in person. I'm just out for her. So, seriously, man. It is even for me to listen to and to watch, It's tiring. It's exhausting. And I'm only watching, Imagine if men get up every day, make somebody just say worry about somebody and try plot all sort of negativity about somebody. All the plot on her plot against human cake. She still a sell. And she a sell more. No shame. God Almighty. God of Christ. No shame. Jesus. Uno take on yourself and go find something do, man. Uno go find something constructive and productive and do. One just get up, everybody just crawl out if I not he, she, or the old lady. Hey? One just crawl out so no come, one just dip on the woman so. And the worst thing about it, she nah pay on no mind. She nah care on, she nah bring on, she nah acknowledge you. What more no want? One go chuck off somewhere, man. God have mercy. If bad mind was a person, it would have to be Jamaican ladies. Because here no other nation get up. When me I watch Planka Bass, Planka Bass have people from all over the watch her, And then they say, when they get up and give a review, the Plankatarian them get up and cuss. We people cuss, yes, because why? One just get up. If one buy the cake, I don't like it. Don't know nothing buy it again. Look how much restaurants no go your man no give bad review about it. Look how much restaurants no go eat and the food not that good. Or no get on bad review about it. Or no get up with name the dirty careless Chinese food them. Or no gobble them down. Or no take on the money buy. Or no get on bad review about it. Or no name KFC careless chicken them. And no get on bad review about it. Get up every day live panny. But everybody, every day, when just get up, lift pan you, man. She say her cake, them call nyam bad cake. So, what do? What no try? She already says Aunty Donna nyam bad cake. That's her cake. So, she never tell nobody say a top tier cake, a perfect cake. She said nyam bad cake. So, when you go buy it now, why you don't complain about? Why you don't complain? Why you don't complain about the cake tastes like this, the cake tastes like that? She already says damn bad cake. So what the problem is? Go from here, so. Idiot, non-progressive elements. Just get up on the woman. Just like cuss human. It gives me spirit to see, man. Because you know what? I don't know Aunty Donna. But you don't have to know somebody to see that the good in somebody. I don't know this lady, but I don't see this lady get up and trouble people upon there. Of course, she will cuss them in her way when she ready. And everybody have feelings. Who wouldn't do it? Me no see she get up there, the focus upon nobody. She get up and do her own thing. She a try to live. She a try to make her way. She a try to be independent. She do this, she do that, she do. But every God Almighty thing she do, we just step on her. Wanna go for your song, give the human a break, man. Loud the human. Make the human function. But who no can't stop our show? Who no realize who no can't stop our show? Because the more you notice when you see cake time come, them time of year, you see them crawl out. They chat about the woman. Uno go where the woman go America, she put on her event. Uno cuss say she charge much money. Uno cuss say she not that good. She put her everything. Why me don't know. Auntie Donna big up herself. Give them more for talk. Give them something to talk about. Always, Auntie Donna. Give them something to talk about. Bless up yourself. One Planka Bass, one Planka Bass, one Planka Bass. Never two. Big up yourself. Guys, like, share, comment, subscribe. Bless upon yourself. One love, one heart. Peace out.